What's out there?
Don't drink that, please. Don't drink it. I'm going to take you out if you're drinking it.
Look at Mommy, honey.
Go. Marilyn, what did I say?
Kick.
Keep your head out of the wall.
Good job.
Marilyn, look.
Kick your legs.
Put your arms out. Remember?
Kenzie is like jumping right there on that step.
Put your legs down.
It's so warm.
Like you're walking. Like you're
Why is
walking.
it so warm, like just in this area?
Because it's shallow. Swim to the wall.